Hi, this is a demo video for an eBay item. It's an Insignia IS-TV040917 model 13-inch CRT TV, which would be great for retro gaming. There's front inputs here for RCA and then a rear coaxial input. I'm going to show you that this unit is operating. Right now I've got it hooked to this DVD player, and you can access your inputs through the channel here. There's your auxiliary front input, and here's your channel 3 for the coax input, and both of these are coming out of this guy here. Show you around the unit a little bit here. Here's the model number tag, and the serial number is right there. There's your rear coax input. This unit does not have a remote control with it, but your functions can come from these front buttons. I'm going to hit play here. You can hear the volume working. I go over to the auxiliary input. Video and audio is working fine. It's a nice little unit, works good. Please let me know if you have questions. Thank you.